Hello and welcome to my channel Cochin Orchids. Today's video is on Mocara orchids. Mocara orchids are vivacious orchids which are very easy to grow and it produce extremely beautiful flowers. There are many colors available in Mocara: yellow, purple, white, red, orange, blue. The Mocara orchids are trigeneric hybrids produced by a cross between Arachnis, Ascocentrum and Vanda. They are monopodial orchids. That means they grow continuously without branching. Sympodial orchids are orchids with definite growth. Their growth ends with the production of the flower. Further growth takes place by means of shoots produced from the bottom. This is an oncidium plant which is producing a new shoot from the bottom. The Dendrobium orchid is also a sympodial orchid. The main shoot often terminates in a long inflorescence and further growth takes place from the bottom by the production of new shoots. Mocara orchids are important in cut flower industry. They are usually grown in field where artificial bed is created and thousands of plants are grown together and the flowers are harvested. But on a smaller scale, for an amateur grower like me, it is not possible to cultivate in open field. But I have to grow them. And for growing them, we can use small or bigger pots and it can be grown as a hanging plant. These flowers show sometimes spots, some of them are plain. These plants can be planted in medium-sized pots using coconut husk or charcoal as a medium. And mostly the roots will come out and it will hang just like a basket vanda. The leaves are usually very thick and the flowers are produced laterally from the side of the stem. The inflorescence is quite long and consists of large number of flowers. It lasts 15 to 30 days and it has got a very good life. The petals are usually very thick and they can be used as a cut flower. Monopodial orchids can be multiplied by making top cuts. The top cut is made below the second root produced so that you can make a cut here and take the top cut. And after taking the top cut, sometimes new shoots will appear. Here I have made a top cut and two new shoots are developing from below the cut region. These shoots will grow and produce roots so that it can be detached from the mother stem and grown into new plants. Monopodial orchids sometimes produce baby plants from the bottom region. This is a Vanda orchid which is producing babies from the bottom region. This is not branching but a type of keiki formation. This beautiful Vanda is in bloom now, but see, it has produced baby plants from the bottom. Two new babies are coming. The Mocara orchids usually did not produce such baby plants, but bending them sometimes produce branches from the middle region. The light requirement of Mocara orchid varies. Certain varieties loves to grow in bright sunlight and hot weather. There are other varieties which loves to grow in slight shady condition. But for flowering, they require bright light. They are heavy feeders. They need to be fertilized every week. You can give nitrogen-rich fertilizers as well as organic fertilizers. The fertilizer obtained by fermenting peanut oil cake is excellent for the growth of Mocara orchids. This fertilizer is very rich in nitrogenous nutrients. The leaves of Mocara at the base sometimes get infected by fungi. Here is one such example. This happens due to accumulation of dirt, and during monsoon, fungi grows there, resulting in the sudden fall of leaves. This can be prevented by proper application of fungicides and observing good sanitation. The topmost region of Mocara orchids consists of slender tissues. They are susceptible for rot. Always see that it is free from dirt. During rain, one has to spray fungicides to prevent the fungal rot. Small Mocara plants can be grown in pots like this using charcoal medium. We can also grow them in smaller pots like this using coconut husk pieces. This is a very good method for raising medium-sized plants. These plants can be freely hung on an iron string like this before they are planted. By hanging them like this, roots will be developed, and once roots are developed, you can replant them. One can grow Mocara and Vanda orchids like this. You can make a pipe like this, and on which the coconut rope can be tied and the plants can be attached. It will grow very nicely. This is a novel method of growing Mocara and Vanda orchids in your own garden. This is a new method to grow Mocara and Vandaceous orchid. You have to take a plastic mesh, maybe of the size of 40 centimeters square, and you have to bend it and place a shade net inside that as shown here. Fill this bag with charcoal, coconut husk pieces, or you can even use wood shavings and pieces of thermocol, and place your plant inside this so that it will grow very nicely. You can see the luxuriant growth of these plants in this way.